In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Interactive Brokers to a bank account in a clear and simple way. To get started, open Interactive Brokers on your device. You can do this on a computer or on the mobile app, but in this walkthrough I'll explain the process as it works on a desktop, since the steps are easier to see. Once you're logged into your Interactive Brokers account, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard and find the option for withdrawing funds. Go ahead and click on the Withdraw option to begin the process. After clicking Withdraw, Interactive Brokers will ask you to choose the currency you want to transfer. In most cases, this will automatically be set to your local currency, based on your account settings, so if it looks correct, you can leave it as it is. Next, you'll be shown several withdrawal methods, along with information about how long each method takes and whether there are any fees involved. Take a moment to review these options, so you can choose the one that works best for you. If you want to transfer money using a local electronic bank transfer, select that option and click Use this method. You'll then be asked to choose your bank country and enter your bank details, such as your account number and routing or sort code, depending on your country. You can also give this bank account a nickname to make it easier to recognize in the future. Once all the details are entered correctly, save the bank information, and you'll be able to send funds directly to your bank account using this method. Another option is to transfer money using a bank wire. To do this, select the bank wire option and choose where the funds will be deposited. In most cases, you'll select a bank as the destination. After that, choose your bank country and enter the required information, such as your IBAN or other bank identifiers. You'll also have the option to specify whether the money is being sent to your own account or to another person or entity. Carefully review the details, then proceed to set up the withdrawal. The final option available is transferring money to a linked Wise account. If you choose this method, Interactive Brokers will prompt you to log in to your Wise account. Enter your Wise email address and password to link the account. Once the accounts are connected, you'll be able to transfer funds from Interactive Brokers directly into your Wise balance, making future withdrawals faster and more convenient. After selecting your preferred withdrawal method and entering all the required information, review everything one last time to make sure it's accurate. Then confirm the withdrawal. Interactive Brokers will process the transfer based on the method you selected, and the money will be sent to your bank account within the estimated time shown on the screen.